What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Kayla. You know what it is. I do what I do. Ha! And I'm about to sing a song for you. So, let's hope this is a good song. Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come through the phone. And I know it makes no sense. Cause you locked out the door. But it's the only way I can hear your voice anymore. It's ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason, I just can't get over us. And I'm stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs. So tired of it. So done with wishing you are still here. That I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Gotta change my calendar I have. That's March July 15th. Because there's no more you, there's no more anniversary. I'm so fed up with my thoughts of you and your memory. And every song reminds me of what used to be. That's the reason I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you are still here. That I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the radio? Leave me alone, leave me alone too. This love song, hey, don't make me think about it now. Or having my first child, I'm letting go